Today is a fun day for me because I get to unbox the Rescue Radio from Talk to Me USA. The Rescue Radio is a radio that has either UHF or VHF frequencies, cellular dialing, and also global walkie-talkie service. So I just got this. I'm excited about it. So let's go ahead and open this up. All right. So what comes inside? You have your instruction manual with your QR code to get your manual. Looks like I got an extra battery and clip that's included. That's cool. All right. This looks like the USB programming cable. So you can get the software at talktome.us and you can program the radio how you want it. I think this is a stealth earpiece. Yep. This is the stealth earpiece that comes with it. It's cool. Wow, it comes with so much stuff. There's a USB charging cable. And it has the hand microphone, the shoulder microphone as well. All right, cool. What else comes with it? Looks like it comes with a lanyard and a little charging USB charging block. All right, this is the cellular antenna, that's smaller. Okay, and this is the VHF antenna. Okay, the UHF antenna is a little bit smaller. UHF antenna looks like this. So the VHF is a little longer. And it has a SIM card. Usually the SIM card will be pre-installed in the radio. Okay, and the radio unit. All right, cool, let's see. Let's take it out. All right, box there. So the radio unit comes with the battery and clip already attached. The SIM card is installed. And if you have phone service, you'll have 2 SIM cards. If you just have walkie-talkie service, then you'll have 1 SIM card installed. So let's go ahead and put the antennas on. Okay. And once you got the cellular antenna on, you can turn on the radio with the knob right here. See the Talk to Me on the screen right there. And it's initializing. And I'll go ahead and put the VHF antenna on. Now you can program the 2024 variant. You can program up to 16 VHF or UHF channels. In 2025, you'll be able to program 200 channels. So it's definitely getting a massive upgrade. So it takes about a minute to initialize and get connected to the network. So we'll go ahead and wait. But I see I connected the antennas already. So again, that's the VHF antenna, and this is the and this is the LTE antenna. Okay, and it says initializing. It's got a signal, and it's going to start connecting here. The SOS light is on, and there you go. And it'll take you right to your public channel. So how this works? There's 2 buttons here, 2 push to talk buttons. This one's for analog, and then this one's for your global network. Okay, so this little arrow indicator right here tells you if you're on the global network, on the global, or on the VHF network. Okay, so VHF's on the bottom, global's on top. How to use it? Just key it up right here. Radio check. Can I get a radio check, please? Radio check. And then just listen in, see what comes in.
Loud and clear.
10-4, loud and clear. Where are you located, please?
Peoria, Illinois.
All right, thank you very much from Chicago, Illinois. All right, so, and, oh, wait.
Well, not too far from me.
10-4. This also will talk to analog network at the same time if you need to, and you can set the priority of who has priority, whether it's the global network or the analog network. So when I say analog, I'm talking about like walkie-talkies like Bayo things and stuff like that can talk to the Rescue Radio. So one of the exciting things here, just go like this and key it up. And you hear it, there it goes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you see the radio's going crazy because I have the volume all the way up. So let's bring the volume all the way down and try that again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And same thing, I can go back. Remember, I pressed the bottom one for analog. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think I have a tone set in mind. So it's going to go back. It's going to skip 600, but you can fix that in the menu as well. So that's how this works. It's pretty cool. It has a K-port mic. So you can use any sort of mic from Amazon. You can even use a Bluetooth mic if you want that will plug into here and then, give you the Bluetooth. So I use the mic that comes with it. It's just easier. Has a nice keypad. This will make phone calls if you have the phone service with us. So, and how to make phone calls, it's very simple. You just make sure the arrow's set to the top and then you dial the number you want. All right, and you don't need no 1 or anything unless you're dialing internationally. And this is now the number.
Hello, and thank you for calling Talk to Me USA. This company does not offer any internet services and is not affiliated with any internet provider. Please contact your service provider.
The charger is on the bottom. If you want to end the call.
If you are calling for help with your two-way push-to-talk radio.
If you want to end the call, just hit the end button. If you want to make the call, you can just dial the number you want and then press the green button. That's it. It also receives incoming calls, so you definitely can, use it to get calls or to make calls. Has the SOS button, so if you have SOS enabled, you can let everybody in your group know you're in trouble. They would get it at longitude and latitude of where you're located and what radio is in trouble. It will also talk to, not only will it talk to analog radios, but it also talks to any sort of PoC radio. So this is the Pro unit, and I could just talk to it real quick. 1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2, 3, 4.
See, so that's me talking on the Pro to that. I mean, you could talk from other radios as well. I mean, here's the Mini.
5, 6, 7, 8.
Here's the Mini radio. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2, 3, 4.
And you see the identification on my radio. In fact, let me key it up again. See, it says Mini Elite. That means that's the radio that's talking. So that's pretty cool in itself. I mean, you can also bring other radios from other companies over to talk on our network as well. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, definitely other radios from other providers or competitors can be brought over here as well to talk on this network. But that's how it works. This is the 2024 Talk to Me Rescue Radio. It demonstrated the phone calling, unboxing, all the stuff that it comes with. It's a really cool unit. Come check it out at talktome.us. You can also find it on our TikTok shop. There's a 5% coupon if you get it on there. You're going to enjoy this radio. It's going to give you're a ham guy. You're going to love it if you're a ham guy because it gives you the cellular, the global, and your analog frequencies all in one. All right. Well, I'm Robert, Talk to Me USA. Thank you for watching this video.